This video is about the Mars cap mod for the DR735T ham radio, allowing it to transmit on previously locked out frequencies, for example a common walkie-talkie channel. This is one of the first videos ever recorded, so unfortunately the video quality is very low, but it does get across the point that it needs to. First you will start by unscrewing and removing the bottom plate of the radio. This entire process seems to be similar for most Alinco mobile radios. Once you have the bottom plate taken off, inside to the front left of the unit, there will be a blue wire functioning as a jumper. You'll take a sharp pair of wire cutters, and ensure they're sharp, and cut this off as close to the solder joint as possible, while being careful not to damage the rest of the PCB. Now that you have the Mars mod done, whenever you go in here to transmit on, for example, 154.600, that is equivalent to MERS 5, which was a previously locked out number, it will tell you off when you press the push to talk. So the solution is to turn the radio off, press star MWHL and the power button all at the same time. Initialize data. It'll load. Now it has all reset. I'm going to put in 154.600. Yep, that's MERS 5. I'm going to go ahead and put that on low. Now you can transmit. And that is how you do the Mars mod. And yes, we are in the floor of my pickup. I don't have my power supply in yet, so I'm hooking this up to my truck. Now, the process of programming the radio, you'll take your programming cord, this one right here, and you're going to plug it into the left speaker output, which is actually different from the left of this unit. This is the bottom of it, actually, the way it ships. So the left is the one closest to the fan. Now that's plugged in. I have actually already programmed this radio, so this may go quicker than it will for you. You set it to a channel, and I put my squelch all the way up. And now it will clone to the radio. It may take a few minutes to do this. Cloning is nearly done. Makes a funny little noise. Now it'll restart. And everything is saved. I have all of the channels programmed in here with their various power levels and if they're narrowband or not. Now the radio is programmed, and you can set your power modes on each one of these channels, but just because you set it in the programming does not mean you cannot change it here. It just simply defaults back to that. Just because you change it so that the program says low on this does not mean you can't transmit at full power. And that little star there means that that's a favorited and protected channel, I believe is what that means. So that is how you program. You do the Mars mod, reset and program, and DR735T.